Like a Hellcat.
Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, welcome to our channel and today we have a twin surprise for you guys. We have two phones for unboxing and detailing. One is Vivo V19 and another is one Oppo Reno 10X.
So let's go for unboxing the mobile.
And comparison between both the phones. We'll give a brief specification about this phone and later on we're gonna compare this which is better than. But before starting, we would like to tell you one phone is 25,000 rupees and other one is 55,000 rupees. So you have to go with your budget only. And this is purely made in India phone. Based on the Chinese company but generate employment in India. So let's get started guys. First we have
Vivo V19.
which have 6.5 Super AMOLED display, dual camera on front and 4 quad camera back side. It has fast charging also, Super AMOLED display
8 GB plus 128 GB.
Yeah, right. And it's come 25,000 rupees. We have ordered this from Amazon in exchange and we get a card discount on SBI 10% which is 1,500 rupees. Apart from that, these phones have very detailing, very nice features which we'll explain you later on. First
So
guys, just have a look.
We have bought it just today only. And
It's-
parcel has came today only, and this
It's
phone
come with-
parcel has came yesterday.
It's come with Snapdragon 3730, 2.2 GHz, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage. Look at the phone. Quad camera setup backside. You will get 2 camera on the front and fingerprint scanner over here.
And the
Very
color
nice
is
picture.
plano black.
And believe me, the fingerprint scanner, it's really very fast. Just have a look on that. See, it's very fast.
It doesn't take time.
Yeah, we have set up this phone and it's come with Android 10. So guys, we'll keep aside this phone for a while and going to unbox that
Unbox
one.
that
Which one
one.
is this, Afi?
This is Oppo Reno 10X Zoom.
This is 8 GB, 256 GB. Today we have delivered this one from Flipkart. This comes in offer. The actual price is 55,000 rupees of this phone, and we've got only 30,000 with 1 year full production plan, along with an insurance and easy no cost EMI.
So let's go for the unbox.
Now have a
look
first look of this phone. Yeah, looks very nice. Don't have a camera bump on that. See, and I must say the fingerprint scanner is work very properly. See, no lags, no problem, no issue. See guys, the main part of this phone is comes with 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of internal storage and 855 Snapdragon guys, 855 Snapdragon. It has one camera, front camera. This is shark fin, 16 megapixel with autofocus. You can see over there. Always on flash is available. Oh, battery is very low. That is why we are not able to on that one.
Its charger is like this.
And we have a 3 camera on the back. 48 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel telephoning and 5 megapixel wide camera. The 10x zoom works very nice. We'll give you everything. We'll show you everything on this video. Let's get started comparing with this phone. Now finally guys, we have set up both the phone and we have on this phone our hand. First we'll show you the dimension and the body of this phone. See, you can see over here both the phones side by side. Vivo V19 little bit light, and because it has a back glass and it is a plastic back. This comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and it has a polycarbonate. See over here, that's why the weight is very light. Afi, you can check which one is heavy, which one is light. You can tell the guys.
This is heavy.
This is heavy or light? Vivo V19.
It is heavy and it is light.
This is light. That was, I guess, my mistake. I found this one is very heavy. Oppo 10x zoom, and this one is light. See, side by side, it has 4 camera on the back. It has 3 camera, 10x zoom with It has bump also, so you can save your camera from scratches and all those things. Left hand side it has volume rocker. It has a right inside volume rocker and power button. It has a right inside power button. There is no 3.mm headphone jack on Oppo Reno. It has a 3.5 FM jack, headphone jack. Okay. Front it has dual camera.
Now the comparison goes to camera. So let's start.
Let's start. See, first we'll check out the front camera of both this phone. It has 16 megapixel camera, and this phone have 32 plus 8 wide camera. See, these have a punch hole camera on the corner, right side corner, and this phone have a pop-up selfie camera. Start that camera. Now you check the clarity of both this phone. Guys,
So
you decide.
this clarity is best.
I can in this segment Oppo get nice detailing, colors and everything. Vivo have 32 megapixel camera and Oppo have 16, but still Oppo I guess is very nice.
Oppo is nice.
Yeah, Oppo giving a good detail. You can see my beard in Oppo, very nice. The color of my face, the color of my showroom. Yeah, guys, this is Password Casual Showroom. The best choice for your kids. You can come here to buy your kids clothing from 1 year to 16 year. Very reasonable rate. Shirts, t-shirt, and everything available. And this video is sponsored by Food House, which provide very nice biryani, tikka biryani and egg biryani. That will with free delivery. Yeah.
Egg biryani 150 and chicken tikka biryani 200.
Egg
Now
biryani
look
150.
have a back camera of this phone.
So I think
in this segment
in this
also,
segment also
Oppo
Oppo is the winner.
and both have a
Multi-visual.
yeah, and both have a zoom option. See, we can see the 10x zoom. 1, 2, 3, 10.
10x.
This is a 10x from Oppo,
And we
and
can
it
do
has only 2x zoom in Vivo. Vivo doesn't have 10x, but Oppo have 10x
10x.
zoom. No, this is not 10x zoom. Now check the picture clarity of this phone. Now we'll check the picture clarity of this phone. We're gonna take the search photo from Password and compare the detailing, colors and everything. Yeah, just open that from gallery. Don't take mobile away from the phone. See, I guess
This is Oppo Reno is the winner.
always Oppo Reno is the winner. Guys, let me tell you about Oppo winner. This is 55,000 rupees phone, but literally the design and big quality is awesome. You can trust on everything. See the back side is very premium, very nice. It doesn't have any bezels throughout the phone. You can't find anything, and the display quality is. But I like Vivo display quality most better compared to Oppo. This is very nice. This is also both are the Super AMOLED display, but I guess Vivo display is better than Oppo one. And again, we'll show you both the phone side by side. Both look very nice, but Oppo have some unique features and function. You can see. You can check out the display of this phone also, guys. See. Over here you are getting a punch hole, but in that segment there is no barrier. You can use the whole display. There is no chin even. It has a little bit chin, but there is no chin, no side on Oppo. Very nice phone and very powerful phone. Both the phone are very nice, but this price Vivo 25,000 rupees and Oppo 55,000 rupees. If you want to buy phone at the segment of 25,000 rupees, definitely you can easily go with Vivo V19. It has everything which you want. It has the speed, it has a battery, 4500 mAh battery, it is a fast charging, dual camera, quad camera, everything are there. Everything is present in this phone, and this is the best choice in 25,000 rupees segment. Instead of buying Samsung and any other phone, you can rely on that.
Samsung, MI,
Yeah,
Realme.
you can rely on that. It give you all features in 25,000 rupees. But if you have a big budget, this is a 1 year old phone, As of now, it's come with Android 9. We didn't update yet, but we'll update this one because update is already arrived in this phone, Android 10, and later on it's go to Android 11 also. But if you have a budget of 55,000 rupees, but I am not paid for this phone 50,000. I only paid 30,000 rupees for this one. If you want to buy a premium phone with a good camera, good display, good design, and definitely, guys, you can flaunt on this. If you have this phone front of your friend, front of your family member, you just tap on that and the camera coming out is look very nice, very impressive. So this was a total unboxing regarding both these phones. Both are very nice, both are very comfortable, both are very handy, and both are very amazing device. No lag, no problem, nothing are there. And if you have, guys, any question regarding these two phones, you can
So comment down.
and please like, subscribe our
We are
channel.
ready to answer your comment.
And please let us know which other phone you want to see our channel to unbox, which other phone we would like to get for you. As of now, we have two these phones. Later on will come Vivo, later on will come OnePlus and other device also. But
iPhone.
as of now, this is the best choice from our side. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
So bye guys. Today we have
Hello.
finished the comparison of that two phone. So tell us which more phone you want for next video. Please comment down and we will bring one video of Q&A. So bye guys.